Hey everyone, welcome to the first season of Core Java tutorial. So in this tutorial, we will learn an introduction and language basics of Java programming. So this tutorial will be a 7 episode small season. So in the first season, we will learn the environment setup, how to install a Java JDK, what is IDE and how to install. Then in the next season, we will learn Java language. In the season 3, we will learn Java syntax and what is the main method. It's a entry point in the Java program. What is the main method? In After that, in upcoming episodes, we will learn basic of programming language. So these can be applied to any programming language. We will learn identifier, reserved words. Reserved words basically only for the Java. Then we will see what are the data types. Then we will see what are literals. Then we will see what are variables.